Hello everyone. We are here for the early morning breakfast. आज जल्दी सफारी के लिए निकलना है. Juice, omelette, breads and some boiled vegetables are already there. We have to quickly finish our breakfast and move. Please don't forget to watch it full and subscribe and support. Watch it on a laptop or TV to get a better view, a better feel. Let's have a quick look at the swimming pool. आज पूरा दिन सफारी का है. We'll be in the park whole day. स्विमिंग पूल हमारे नसीब में नहीं है, फिर भी एक बार देख ही लेते हैं.
How deep is this? Very small. 1 point. Okay.
How's your breakfast?
Nice.
Good?
Yeah.
You from?
India.
Your first time to Kenya?
Yes, first time to Kenya.
How's it? You go to the safari later or not now?
Not just we are going.
Go now.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Philip.
Philip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice
Thanks
to
to
meet
me.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm Raju.
Raju.
Yeah.
Oh, nice name.
Mostly the people will come in the evening hours.
Yes,
No, it's
yeah.
closing at 6 p.m.
Yeah. It's close.
So only due to
Maybe
and
afternoon,
today
but
there
It's no sun.
no sun today, so
No,
there'll be
that's
less people here.
Oh, not many people.
Not many people. Yeah.
Because it's very cold weather.
Yeah. Okay, Philip.
Okay,
Take
nice.
my leave.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Bye. Hello.
How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
The Centrum Lodge has a handicraft shop
Yeah.
too, but no photography.
No camera? Not? You? Okay. Relax. No need to get up.
So today we want to change you the room.
Yes, one, no? Yeah, 28.
Will you change the room?
Nah? They will not change.
Once settled, settled.
Well, we must leave now. The lodge has already packed our lunch boxes and it is there in the vehicle. Just outside the lodge, we see a troop of baboons. These are a kind of monkeys, large ones. And 100 meters की दूरी पर एक विशाल मेल एलिफेंट.
Okay, Peter. Let's move. Yeah. Let's move.
Peter is moving closer instead.
Goes up.
The park ticket is $80 for 2 entries. Both the rounds have to be completed within a span of 24 hours. Otherwise, you pay again. IFAW, the International Fund for Animal Welfare, is waging a great battle against the poachers for conservation of elephants in Amboseli National. The Masai community is fully involved.
You never get enough of being in places like Amboseli.
And now digital technology is also being used.
Amboseli National Park is home to 1,400 of the most famous elephants in the world. We know many of them by name. Much of what we know about elephants comes from studying these individuals. They are ancient, tightly knit family groups that have lived here for generations.
And then there are those bad guys who are out there and they want to come and kill elephants and feed the ivory markets.
These are elephants we knew by name. We've reached a tipping point, with more elephants killed than born each year. This is a war. The people who come to poach elephants come with sophisticated weapons. They are highly organized gangs with links to terrorism.
So you are actually at a front line. It's a battle.
It's time to turn the tide. We are launching an innovative new plan using high-tech intelligence and old-fashioned community involvement. At IFAW, we train Masai wildlife protection scouts. They become trusted contacts to whom community members can report suspicious activity. Wildlife crime enforcers can combine tips from locals with state-of-the-art big data analysis to intercept poachers before they kill.
अंदर आते ही हमें एक ऑस्ट्रिच मिल गया। ये मेल ऑस्ट्रिच है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत। The male ostrich is watching us. A small group of elephants. African elephants are bigger than Indian elephants. They also have wider ears. In case of African elephants, both male and female grow tusks. In case of Asian elephant, only some male elephants grow tusks.
Here.
थोड़ी आगे जाकर हमें एक बड़ा झुंड दिख रहा है। Some 25 elephants are in this herd. The oldest elephant who lead this herd is called matriarch. ये सबसे पीछे चलती है। इस झुंड में छोटे बच्चे और ओनली फीमेल एलिफेंट्स होते हैं। कोई मेल एडल्ट एलिफेंट ये हर्ड में नहीं मिलेगा आपको। जैसे मेल एलिफेंट बड़ा हो जाता है वो अलग हो जाता है, या तो वो अकेला चलता है, नहीं तो और दूसरे कुछ मेल एलिफेंट्स का एक छोटा सा ग्रुप बनाकर चलते हैं। We are going further. On our right, the herd of wild beasts enjoying their time in the savannah. The grasslands is so open. You can view animals moving at a much longer distance. But unfortunately, the vehicle can only travel on the road, and no one is allowed to get down from the vehicle except at designated places. Egyptian beauty. The birds are Egyptian geese visiting Amboseli like us. हमारी तरह अम्बोसेली में घूमने आए हैं। So beautiful. जहां वाइल्ड बीस्ट थे वहां अब हाथी आ गए। Now the elephants are driving out the wild beasts from that area. ये एक अजीब सी जगह है। यहाँ एक बहुत बड़ा रिजॉर्ट था, बहुत बड़ा लॉज।
A very large hotel. Then there was a lot of water accumulation after the rains, and this had to be abandoned. Road, no?
Yeah, it is at the Amboseli beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, also the hotel
And-
was called Amboseli Hotel 24.
Yeah.
You will see the gate there.
Yeah. Go inside.
We have come to the old Tukai Lodge. It is one of the two lodges inside the park presently. The other lodge is Serena Lodge. ओल्ड टुकाई लॉज इज बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, काफी बड़ा और पार्क के अंदर होने के कारण बहुत साइटिंग है। हमने इलेक्ट्रिक फेंस के बाहर जेब्रा का एक झुंड को देखा। द फर्स्ट जेब्रास। The only Amboseli airstrip is close by. You can fly from Nairobi to save time, but spend more.
Sir, how was the trip? Nice?
Moving on to the Great Lake area, this vast lake attracts thousands of birds. Witnessing the spectacular scene of lesser flamingos. No movement forward. A couple of elephants have blocked the road. अब फंस गए, कोई रास्ता नहीं है, न आगे न पीछे। पीछे और भी गाड़ियां लगी हैं. Only hope, elephants leave the road and give us passage. After 20 minutes, elephants moving. Now watching more zebras on the roadside, we know why we call the pedestrian crossing the zebra line. What a beautiful animal. And this is the most majestic ostrich I've ever seen. Zebras and wildebeest. Some hippos are there in the distance, in the swamp. We are at Observatory Hill. Many of the travelers take their lunch packs on the top of hill and eat there. There are no restaurants, no water, nothing. Only observation from the top. Our team preferred not to go up because it was getting hot and the lunch box was already there in the vehicle. On our return, watching the solitary giraffe at a distance, the giraffe looks absolutely majestic. A zebra group crossing the road in front of us. The presence of huge number of elephants makes Amboseli generally calm and quiet. But this is a scene that's very different. Fighting among the hyenas for meat. And there is a tusker trumpeting. Probably her baby was stolen.
That other elephant over there yelling. This is crazy. This is crazy. You guys running away with this zebra pig.
Look at this lion right here. Is this happening right now? Is this really?
Trumpeting elephant came very close and then went away from the mess. We have to complete our Amboseli trip and exit the gate in time. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Would have loved to stay back and spend one more safari in Amboseli, but our program is fixed. We move to Naivasha Lake tomorrow. If you wish to get more information, you can mail me. My email ID is given in the description. Thank you so much. Namaskar.